Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different shakes. These shakes are very easy to make and they are cherished by kids and adults as well. 3 shakes are made with very less ingredients and all of them turn really good, and you can adjust ingredients according to your taste. These can be a good treat for kids at the iftar and adults too. So let's get started. For making the first shake, that's chocolate shake, I have used around 1 cup of milk. Milk should be chilled. Then I have taken around 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can adjust according to your taste. Then I have taken around 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, or you can use melted chocolate. If you have compound chocolate or even dairy milk will work. You have to melt it and then use it. You can melt it in microwave. And half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Two scoops of vanilla ice cream, or you can use chocolate ice cream too, plain chocolate ice cream, but it becomes too sweet. That's why I have used vanilla ice cream. So I start with just randomly using chocolate syrup on the glass, serving glass, and I'll keep it in fridge for some time. It will give a good design. Then in a blender jar I have taken milk. I'll be adding sugar, vanilla essence, and I'll be adding some ice cubes. You can add ice cubes for making it more chilled, and cocoa powder. Again, I would like to mention, you can, instead of cocoa powder, you can use chocolate also. You can use dairy milk or compound chocolate. You have to melt it in microwave. And then I'm adding 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. If you are making in larger quantities, you can adjust ingredients accordingly. Now we will blend all of them and our shake will be ready. And here the easy and amazingly tasty shake is ready. You can serve it chilled. So here you can see, here is the shake ready, and I'm pouring it in the glass that I have already shown you, that I had kept in the fridge. And then I'll garnish it with some ice cream and nuts. You can garnish it the way you want, but for making it kid friendly, I'm adding ice cream. The yummylicious chocolate shake is ready. It's cherished by kids and adults too, and it's the best treat at iftar for kids. Now another is banana shake, shake number 2. For that I have taken 1 cup of milk, chilled milk. Then I have taken 2 bananas. Here you can see the size of bananas. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, or you can take melted chocolate. Then I am taking 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is nutritious, that's why I am adding it. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. First, in a blender jar, I am taking bananas, sliced bananas, and I'll be adding peanut butter to it. So first we'll blend it to a smooth paste. Blended it to a few pulses till they form a smooth paste. Then I'll be adding other ingredients that include vanilla essence, cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and I'll be adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. So here again you need to take care of sugar, because vanilla ice cream is also sweet. That's why I'm adding just 1 scoop. So we'll blend it again to a few pulses and our shake is ready. And here is the 1 more glass. I had kept it in fridge same way that I have shown you. And then I'll be garnishing it with a scoop of ice cream and some nuts. You can garnish it the way you want. If you are adding ice cream for garnishing, make sure you keep a space in cup or else it will overflow. Here the easy to make and amazing in taste banana and chocolate shake is ready. Just a few ingredients, these shakes turn really good. You can give them try at iftar. Now the third shake is Oreo shake, and it's everyone's, all kids love it. For that I have taken 1 cup of chilled milk, sugar 1 teaspoon, and then I have taken Oreos. Here I'll show you. I have taken chocolate ones. I have taken around 8 pieces of Oreos. Then I have taken fresh cream, that's around 2 tablespoons. Then vanilla essence around half a teaspoon. Instead of fresh cream you can use again vanilla ice cream. I'll take some non-creamy part of the Oreo biscuits or cookies that we will be using. We'll crush them and we'll be using them for garnishing. Here you can see I have taken a few pieces of it and I'll grind them. Here you can see this is the Oreo powder of a few cookies, non-creamy, and then in a blender jar I'm taking cookies, Oreo cookies, then I'll blend them. Here you can see. Then after that we'll be adding other ingredients. And here you can see now I'll be adding fresh cream to it for the crushed Oreos. Then I'll be adding sugar, vanilla essence. You can add chocolate ice cream also, and milk I'm adding, but if you add chocolate ice cream it becomes too sweet. So here you can see we'll blend it and our smoothie is ready. So I'll pour it in a glass. Then at the top I'll be adding a layer of the crushed Oreos that we had kept aside earlier. Then we'll be adding a scoop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream. That's for garnishing. And then I'll be adding some Oreos for garnishing. You can garnish it the way you want. Here the super easy and super quick Oreo shake is ready. Shakes are very easy to make and very less ingredients are used. So here I'll just add some chocolate syrup at top for garnishing. You can use any chocolate syrup and it's an optional step, you can skip it. Here the cool and refreshing iftar drink is ready. Give these shakes a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas. Allah Hafiz.